Me. Mike, good morning, late morning, everyone. This is Michael Venezia, head trader at Tradeview Markets. As coaches posting as we share. Who's today's guest? Today's Wednesday. That's me. I'm today's guest. All right, so my alter ego will take over. A lot of going on in the market. You know what I'm doing right here? Shorting a little ASTS here. Not married to it. Why, you ask? I don't know. I'll do 400. Actually, I did. I'll short 800. 33.81. ASTS strong in the morning, making a move right now. I probably should wait to maybe 34.92 if I'm going to try to get it or try to really make a nice play. You know what? Did I get it? Oh, look at that. I'm holding the market then. They're running well. I thought they ran right over. All right, let's get to what's going on. This coach is posting. Listen to coach. He knows what he's doing. Markets, EMPH, the one to buy. Why? Clean. Taking it didn't do many things, as we'll go back to TGH in a second. ASTS, they're running now. I'm being facetious. Okay, EMPH calls, 50-day. Some of these moves in the market on the upside, it seems, are a little bit exhausted. I don't think you're going to get these pops that you're seeing right now. Maybe you'll get the proverbial dead cat bounces, like in a stock like DYN. Yesterday, I was the only one bidding it for 23.5, 24. Now it's 34. DYN, price range action. It got a million shares. With GBC, Planeteer, Carvana, Bill, still going. ASTS, I'm in trouble. No, I'm looking. Dynergy, Best Buy, A&F, Gap Stores, VFC. What happened here? I bought a chunker of VFC. Maybe the calls are expired. I did buy some here. You know, I get it. What else is moving? And Nevada, is that at the high of the day? Yes, it is. And we had some NVDL. NVDL, you asked Mike V where you were buying. Listen, it's a crowded trade, crowded thought, but we were buying NVDL 44, adding to it the gap at 46. I just sold a chunk of NVDL. There it is. 48.62. Where's it going from here? It's got more. Move on. Sweet Green, I have it on that. Nice punt, Mike V. I sold this on the open. I was kidding. Sweet Green, another one, an idea that was just like a EMPH. Went to the 50-day. It's got a little gapper in it. I like the section, like the. I sold it like a piker. If I was shorted, I'd still have it. 30-20, coming in a little bit. What else is moving? Advanced Auto Parts. I'm bagging this thing. What is going on with this freaking thing? You know what happens? It's next to Dollar Tree. This is a problem. I'm gonna have to sell some just out of principle. Wolf, Square acting well. All right, AMD was positive all morning. All morning. Positive. ARM, I bought some ARM in the hole. It didn't go. I tried to make the long money, sold it. Market's pulling back a little bit. CCJ bounce. What do we have? I got to get out of some things. You know what I have? Starbucks, Uber, CELH. Had that long. I sold that near the top. That was taking calls yesterday, by the way. You know what I'm long? Burke. Issue. The Burke. Oh, look at the Burke cutting in a candle hour. I'm long a little bit of the Burke, a little early. Gonna get out of the gapper. Bottom line is that's my trades. Market made a nice move. What was it on the Jolts number? All right. This is the one predominant thing that I will say, no matter what your style is. And I hope Coach shared it with this. If not, you know, you can't read everything. Matter of fact, we talked about it yesterday. If you want to go and watch Coach's video, always go to our YouTube channel. Coach already garnering 112 views. Coach and I yesterday, 330 views. Let's see.
Everyone ready to?
Yeah, we are. Who's complaining? Always enjoy the banter. In San Diego this week, Coach Brownie Elf. There you go. You have some brownie with the elf, and I'm sure it's not regular brownies. You want it, Coach? Look at this. Astro Gumbo. Okay, let's look at silver. Always go to the right YouTube channel. I digress. TradeGATEHub. Where are we now? Boom. Share screen. I'm on the share screen. Coach, SPX testing prior support. Coach actually on the money with these levels of SPX too. Coach very, very on fleek with technical levels. Not that he's not. It's just my point was the market is sensitive to data. That's what's driving the market. Data. As a matter of fact, let me go to my my the Twitter feed, and I believe I did like it at one point. Not that I'm a guy that follows tweets, as NVDL keeps going. Look at this one. Nevada's Jensen Lang loses 10 billion in 24 hours. 10 billion in 24 hours. The good thing is, Mr. Wang, is that TradeGATEHub is free. We could try to make you some of it back. Sign in. Free. Stocks. Keep this in mind. It is what it is. It might turn out to be nothing, but now it's imperative, tradable information. The Sox had its second largest upside volume of the year today, which was yesterday. Sox are semis. Dollar Tree. I'm in it. And why? Because Mr. Dick here has a good point. Dollar Tree is a super low bar going into tomorrow's earnings report thanks to Dollar General. All right, I'm in Dollar Tree. My average price is what's... You freaking bastard. Oh, no. Is that my average price? Here's my average price. I'm transparent as always. Have to be. Or else I get done. Position info. I think I got 4,000. 4,000 from 68.77. Am I going to get this back? I'm not going to add to it. RSI is 12. Weekly is 12. That previous low is 59 on the weekly. By the way, it's a big difference when you have 4,000 from 59 to freaking 62 or whatever it is. Listen, what do I want here? I had a chance that I wanted to call. I thought it would be one of these. See here, I thought it would be one of these stocks that would drift up all day. Have that low and just drift up like this. But now they're shaking people out. Now I don't want it to break low, and if it does break low, I'm not going to add to it. I had my chance. What is my price? 68.77. It's got his highs right here. Is 67.27. Maybe there's one more round of margin calls. Where's Dollar General? Did that pop at all? What I would like to do is Dollar General be washed out in that pop. See, Dollar General was the one. It's already washed out. It doesn't mean that, both of them are good trades, but the one that was already washed out, Dollar General went from 79 to 82.5. I'll take that on 5,000 shares or whatever it is. That was the one. And quite honestly, with Dollar Tree, I went by RSI and not the trade. And same with AAP. Oh my God, this is horrible. Everybody must be shorting me. AAP gap down in the last minute. Retailers coming in. What's moving down here? I just lost a freaking tax bracket here. Riven, Tesla, Meta, TTD was the one. TTD. ASTS. Oh my God, he's up in the. What do we have? 1,600 short now. All right, let's play with this thing. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. They had that. It just went to 32. Okay, this is what we do. Let's go to the. Oh, let's not give Coach a. Let's not Coach go crazy. Let's look at the bigger picture. Let's look at the 20-minute on ASTS. Gives you nothing to imply that it's a buy in every dip, but we're in it. Short another 600 at by Smart View, Tradeview. What's moving down now? Futures are coming in. I know what's moving in. VFC, Sweet Green, HIMS, BOF, Intel. Intel any bounce off this number. Let's talk live trading and screw it. Intel sold it yesterday. Thank God I sold it. Where's this VST? 77. Do I have to sell some of this? I sold this right before. Look at VST. Long 3,400 from 82.70. I just took some off at the top. It's up to freaking $5, $4 today at one point. NVAX, EBS, we're in that. EBS, I'm in that. 6,000. I must have sold some. EBS is going nowhere, but I do have offers out there. And you know what? I'm canceling some. Meta, EMPH gave it back. Waka Flame. Did I give you WAC Technology? Work Medical. Work Medical. Those are nice, they're making money the easy way. I know it's only for GEV going higher. That's interesting. Waka Medical. It's my job to not put, they show Coach. Here we go. Lumen, AT&T going higher. Oh, that's positive. All right, let's go back to TradeGATEHub this morning when surfs up Alexis always we give you Wall Street research, upgrades and downgrades, unbiased, could care less. Always giving you my universe. The VIX was up, what, 22% yesterday? The VIX now is at the low of the day, if you will, for lack of a better term. Okay. Balaco. NVDL. Is it a good sell? ASTS, my God, they're right now. Reddit. Planetaire. Let me get back to this. This is not good. Planetaire breaking high. They wrote to ASTS breaking higher. Everybody's shorting me. Dave Portnoy shorting me right on me. I could feel it. Now I'm short 2,000 from 33.76. This is not, these are one of these things where you're, first of all, it's not a good trade, but one of your smaller positions, one of your small positions can turn into a big loser. But we have a plan here. 33.76, 33.76, 33.76. I want to take the, then stop longs out. 32.30 is where I'm going to put it. Is it worth the trade? No. 2,033.13. No, I want it under 32. 32.94. I like this. It's going to work, but it's a bad trade. Baba breaking low. I got issues here. Market coming in a little bit. Where's this VFC? This thing goes down now, right? Big bastard. I'm gonna have to sell this. 12,000 VFC from 1296. Okay, very simple. This is what we do here. New share. We sell 6,000 at 1798, 97. It's smart Tradeview route. Best route out there. If I'm using it, you could use it. So that's 6,000. So I have what, 12,000. So I'll put another 6,000. I'll try to make a penny. Tell my wife I made some money today. 1698. 1798. The high today is 1880, man. That came back a lot. It shouldn't. It's actually near a gap. Taking calls still. Here's the weekly. I just don't want the headache in it. I'll take half off. We'll move on. Better trades. Next. Nikkei, 50% of NVIDIA trades underwater. That's still the case today. It's still only up $1. Affirm lows. Let's go to today. Coach posting early on grains. Meta, NAS, right on the Qs. SQQQs. Japanese shares track Wall Street losses. Let's see where Europe closes. All right, here we are. New share. Boom. What time is it? 11:22. What do we have here in the live screen? Bitcoin, Ethereum, dollar, VIX down 4%, PDD. We're in that. Bitcoin volume highs. That's before Tesla's at the highs. BMR halt, BMRN. Halted for news pending. A bio halted for news pending. Giddy up. That means green price action and volume. BMRN. Nothing like an afternoon bio to trade after a phase 2 failure and or I'm not saying that. I don't know the news yet on binary. Serve. SPH. Enable auto scroll. All right. Any questions live? I know I'm going a little bit off on tangents. Waka Waka. I told you this is my point. This is very hot IPO. I brought this up yesterday. EMPH, Dollar Tree. There I am. GTLB, these were the winners. GTLB was a gap and go, I believe. Let's look at the big cap movers pre-market. ASTS is up there. What is the news on ASTS? It provides business update to confirm or orbital launch and warrant redemption. It sounds too intelligent for me. I'm joking. Where is it? ASTS. Oh my God, they're killing me now. No, they're not. I'm up in it. GTLB. I think that was a gap and go. The active trader. GTLB had news right here. That was a gap and go. GTLB. Right, it took at the opening range. Right here. This was the real play right here. It's 52 when it took out a flagger. Stock closed at 44. It's got the move in it. Everybody, so right here, this is the move. Probably even if you wanted the orb opening range breakout from 52, you let it go. It was a trending day after the VIX was lower. 54.20. It's a nice move. What do you do now is the question. Money had probably been made, 200 resistance. Wouldn't want to be shorted, wouldn't want to be long it. Next, but for those active traders that like to take money out of the market, like Mickey, Hassan took the calls. Everybody, it did go up. I'm saying to myself, if Hassan reported earnings, it's only about actually have the 70-cent range. That's not bad. That's not bad for ASTS. Oh my God, they're running Tesla breaking high as the market goes down. Took calls early. Tesla at the 50-day. There's a lot of sexy things going on here. Look at Tesla. Nice move. That means ASTS is ripping. Lunar. Watch the lunar. Watch the lunar. Inside selling aggressively. Now it's shorted. Came down and watch the lunar. ASTS. Oh my God. What's moving down now? Shopify, M, Carvana, Uber, Net, Affirm, PDD. They knocked it down today. Oh, I know it's going down. Retailers. Naturally. AAP. It's bad. EPS breaking high though. We're next. Yes, it's way higher to go. 11 offer right there. So 4,788. So 2,788. The Waka Waka. Wolf, Carvana killing me. Nike, BFC never got hit. ANF, Sweet Green. What's coming down now? Boom. New share. Last 15 minutes as the market's off the two, coming a couple 100%. Losers last 60 minutes. UVIX coming in as the market's pulling back bullish. Percent gainers last 60 minutes. ASTS. We're in that. Redfin, Lunar, NVAX. Oh my God, the people are getting vaccinated again. NVAX, it's got it in it. This stock can go up 20% in a day. I'm not saying it. There it is. Myrna. Myrna. Oh, look at this Myrna. Interesting. 73. All right, we'll buy 800. I'm in Myrna. Everybody's shorting me now. All right. AOB, Myrna, Serve. I had early. NVAX is the one to watch. Run breaking higher. NVAX is the one to watch. Another one going higher. BBIO. What's up with you? BBIO. I was up a lot more money today. What is that? Took off 10,000. You stink. BBIO. Where are my charts? Energy, PPC. They take up the chicken sector. Cancel transfers. Oh my God. You know what I mean? Sloppy. You want to cancel all transfers? Yeah, I do. Okay. This is interesting. It is what it is. Don't kill the messenger. Let me get back to charts because I got an obligation here. Where are my charts? Divine Yeti. I saw this the other day. This was a squeeze in retail, and I hope they're going to consider the rest of it. Yeti, calls, CWH. Oh, God help me. Lumen, NVAX. NVAX. Okay, that's going to get the highlighter. Let me go to TradeGATEHub. Actually, our YouTube channel, see if somebody's yelling at me. Astro Gumbo, somebody. Mickey doesn't yell, he talks to him. Astro Gumbo. It depends on what freaking stars are on like that thing. Depends on what freaking stars are on like that thing. Mickey Dooley, don't be fooled. Dwayne Collins, let's fucking go, Mike. Dwayne, Post more. Get into. Are you in TGH, Dwayne? Dwayne. I love the name Dwayne too. Dwayne. DC. Astro Gumbo. Tesla. He's got it. He knows what to do. It's coming up to the 50-day. What do you want me to do? Okay. Let's go. Let's taking calls on the Jesus feed, and then we're gonna go. KHC. November buying. Okay. What? Yesterday, what did they take up? All right. Procter and Gamble. Kept going. Not sexy. But I know guys like Larry Tarantelli and everything, and the smart guy, KMD. Everything. KHC. What? You know what? KHC. Don't argue. Don't argue. This could be the they might be so under in this thing could go up 10. Kellogg did. The freaking guy taking over. Kellogg. Oh my God. You know what's sexy? Now I'm getting into it. General Mills. General Mills. That's in the fund. General Mills is in the fund. That means. That means. You know what that means? Maybe mine's with freaking more General Mills. How about that? What else are we going to buy more of? We'll buy more Philip Morris. The weekly unload to extend it. PDD or longing. Then we're doing fund trading. I better take this with my own rate screen because then everybody will have the whole world and I'll be yelled at. PDD getting sold in the fund. LQK in the fund. Taking insider buying. I'm long this thing in the fund. Tremendous insider buying. I'm okay with it. Roblox. I'm okay with it. FCX, I'm okay with it. For now, VFC, I mean, where is this freaking thing? 1770? Wake up, somebody. With Alcoa. Okay, you know what? I don't. XLE. Oh, that's bad. Look at the XLE. What the hell happened here? Well, that's enough fun buying, that's for sure. XLE. I didn't even know that was the one. I think you're gonna have to start looking at this chart there, Mick. I don't think it's a buy and hold anymore. I think you gotta be happy you get a dividend in this thing, to be honest with you. Am I going overboard? No. What's happening here? I do, Nevada. I do have curated screens. Look at Nevada. The Qs are on the SQQs are unchanged. You all own the SQQs. You got to be happy about this right now with Tesla up, Intel, AMD's up 4, NIO, AT&T, Apple, ASTS. Oh shit. Dollar Tree. Welcome to the position. Amazon. Welcome to the position. Riven. Couldn't move it. You tried. Let's look at percent losers. 60 minutes. What are they taking down? Unity Software, IPG, percent gainers. I have more. I have curated proprietary scanners, if you will. That you know, these are. I like this. It's quite simple. NVAX and ASTS. NVAX is the one. I bought Martin, didn't I? Oh my God! You're chasing them. Yeah, I did buy Martin. All right, I'm in Martin. I'm gonna add to this freaking thing. Why? Because bottom fishing is really working now, might be. You know what I mean? Actually, at the EBS. They had it at 773. Could have been someone. Futures. Microsoft, Apple down 4. You want Apple down 4. You want Apple down 4 and Tesla up 8. Netflix, Meta, Nvidia. I got us in that on air. ZS, the best, one of the former better security stocks, if you will, might be more emblematic of the market that's getting hurt, but the rest of them are kindly up. Could be a dead cat bounce. General Motors had calls yesterday, didn't it? NTNX, ALAB, APP, you know me, Lunar, ASDS continuing to rip them, ripping my V on screen. It's okay, come on. I'll take it. AAP, they're doing the same. CCEP, PM, more guidance. You want to talk about a stock? This makes NVIDIA, in relative terms to what NVIDIA did for Philip Morris International to make this move, is analogous to what NVIDIA was. I'm telling you. Trust me. That comes from a Generation Xer. You would never see PM make a move like this. Are you kidding me? A monthly. Look at the monthly. That's Coach says it. You want to trade monthly freaking RSIs, you better be able to take some pain. There's the monthly. Never been higher. SDS, no problem. Futures coming in. Shop, ARM, Coors, Starbucks, GameStop, Zoom, first day down. Dynergy. Enough with this thing. Dynergy. Let's see if we want to try and short this as the UVIX pops. I need a print. I need a print in this DYN. I need a print. I need somebody to say I'm to 34.50. You know what? Let's do it 830. I didn't have been. I'll short a little bit more at 34.72. So that was my birthday, 1972. I'm sure that's accurate. Accurate trading. CPNG. This stock is heavy with funds, and it's one day just like that up, and I had it pretty nicely. But look at it now. Yesterday was 21.90, and it was 23.50 as I'm short Dynergy. Oh my God, come on, everybody's in there shorting me. You know, there it is, 36. Oh, I don't know about this trade. We really want Dynergy to try to short is right here. 36.10. I'm $1 early, and I don't want to be $1 early. More of a boredom trade. Meta breaking high. See the rotation. The futures were, listen, SPYs were up. SPYs are unchanged. They were up 3. Now they're taking the other ones up. Roku, Tesla breaking high as the market comes. You can see this Meta going higher. I brought up the chicken sector. PPC, you laughed. I see TSN going. Tyson Chicken. What? The chicken sector. They're taking up Kentucky Fried Chicken, right? KHC, is that what it is? Kraft Heinz. So, you know what? They might be taking chicken. TSN, paper trade. Apple coming back. Apple is down 4. It ain't going to last. Rotation. Intel going lower. CCJ, CMG, VFC coming back. I'm going to get hit. Yeah, now I'm going to look. See, what? It's time to buy some more. Hey, oh my God. SMCI, NVIDIA. How many MDDL do I have left? I have 2,000 left. Okay. You know what I mean? I made good money, bought it, sold a lot of it. 49, it's 47.35. That's a lot of money. So look, sold 2,048, sold another 4,000, sold fucking, excuse me, 49.42. Nice trade, my V. I'm out of it. You know, now at 2,000. Now I gauge it as the market's pulling back. It was DYN. Oh my God, I think ASTS breaking high. What's this thing doing to me here? STS. Smallest positions can turn into biggest losers. At 2,000, I'm down $1. I said the right place was what, 36 and change? This is a midday squeeze. 35.13. There's the 20-minute. They went right over 35, and I will short 200. 35.11 because everybody stopped out at 35. Trust me. KHC breaking high. Fizzler, EMPH, Intel, SMCI, NVIDIA negative. CELH, Planeteer, Disney. You know what? That looked okay. That looked okay, Disney. It looked okay this morning. It looked okay for a span. ASTS. They get it? Oh, they didn't get it. They thought the same as I did. Oh, God, okay. BE, SHLS, ASTS. I don't even want it now. Now it goes over it. I don't even want to cancel it. Cores. Oh, you know what I have? I like this stock. AUPH. This stock I like. Taking calls. Could be a binary buy and move. At 28,000 from 687. Makes a nice move, still flagging. I know it well. It doesn't mean I'm looking at the the phase reads. This should be turned. This AUPH should be into calls. I should transfer this AUPH into calls because I have 28,000 shares from what? Let's say 6. All right, so it's 200,000. If I bought $40,000 worth of calls, a binary move, it's going to what? Triple, quadruple, and I'll make that money. But if it doesn't, then I'm going to lose a decent premium. That should be turned into calls. Index, and it will be. Index. Marna. I knew not to do it. I don't even want the Marna. 800 Marna. Another one that should be turned into calls. I'm in the, I'm in the disease sector. Now I'm rooting for monkeypox, and I don't like that. But Index is getting the highlighter. DYN. Oh my God, ASTS. Oh my God, that's what we do now. Now we'll do 200 more. We see it. We got hit. CPNG. Keep an eye on this one long. Keep an eye. This is a sexy stock, I'm telling you. Today was some decent edification. Planeteer, Uber, Square, Baba, DFC, DYN. You laughed at me. Oh my God, he's up $800. All right, I'll leave it there. Listen, there's very little edge. The market had a nice move yesterday. A lot of people, Starbucks lows, people are still underwater in some things. You know what I mean? This is not a hero day. To be honest with you, it might not be I use this term a lot, but the sexiest plan, but it might be the prudent plan. And look at me to go, to be a little bit prudent. Just go to TradeGATEHub, go through your levels, go through earnings very well, as of course surfs up right on it. Go through the YouTube, the video. It is only Wednesday. A lot going on here until Friday and Thursday. I'll finish by saying that I do believe that the market is very sensitive, almost a news laden from move to move, if you will. And I tried to make that point earlier when I came on. As my mind is trying to flush into things that I was neglecting. That's what I was talking about yesterday with Coach Charlie Biello. I don't, miners are a big short, worst sector, but what was Charlie Biello again? Outperforming ETFs. There's nothing wrong with going through this list. You're going to learn more than you are probably trading at this point. Go GTLB right here. Go through grad stuff. Stocks that have good volume, stocks that are up 4% on 1.5 times volume. 1.5. That's it. Simple. I could be up maybe 1.5% if you say you want to be more active. They're all there. We're bringing them on. ASTS, GTLB, we brought them up already. Cores. Where is ASTS? Ooh, they're squeezing Mike V again. Come on, let's go. We'll take it. Waka waka. hanging in there. Waka Waka Flame. AMD still near the high. Campbell Soup going higher. Campbell Soup. Apparently ASTS makes soup as well. Soup Sept. Look at Campbell's. But okay, still go play Proctor. Who cares? The job is to make money, not be right. KHC taking calls. Write it down. Get involved yourself with a TradeView demo. If you don't trade options, if you don't have enough leverage, you got to listen. You never learned a lot by a sailor never learned a lot in calm waters. If you don't have enough capital, get the demo account. If not, get the live account. Go for the options. Right? Just do it. That's how you learn. Get involved, no matter what. It's easier to learn on the demo account than how to make back real money. You know what I mean? Everybody's a genius. Look, I used to go back and write down my trades on paper. I was the best paper trader on the East Coast for like the late in the late 90s. It's until you do it. Get involved. Here's another thing right here. You might be thinking about as the video's down. Uber, Tesla, Avago, MU, AMD Green. Wasn't there stocks? Shop. This two's red. Starbucks lows. HW, BCE, Frog, UVXY is flying. There's ASTS. I see it. What else did we work out? Dynergy. Pick the top. Mike V. Do we add to it? Now let's see what working. You never know. Maybe the small winner can turn into a big one. Dynergy. Now it's got to go below here. 33.67. I mean, the stock is still 12 off the low, 11 off the low. The bottom line is they tried to run it through the strike price. You never know. KKR sweeps, Billy, Goldman, Tesla. Tesla taking sweeps, man. It is what it is. They might stop taking sweeps. Who knows? Right now it's taking sweeps. Mike V, I'll try to do better. I'll try to go into a shorter time. But until now, I didn't just tell us what you like and how to get better from your soup sandwich. Meatball stew for lunch, Uncle Mike. That's okay. That sounds a little ethnic derived, considering that you're from I know you're French and make gumbo, and I'm Italian. I'm also half Irish. Actually, the Irish half is the better half. Soup sandwich. Why not for soup and sandwich? They took over Panera Bread, right? Who's got earnings after the close to maybe deflect any pin action? AI, some sexy things. We'll see. Until then, this is it. This is the menu. Most active. Take a picture. All right. Mike V. See you again. Thanks for the team behind me. Thanks for everybody's patience. If I am a little late, I respect everybody's time. The bottom line is I'm trying to give you the best product. It's not like Tony, I already walked Tony Pistachio. You know what I mean? I'm just gathering more data and trying to do the best I can. So cheers, Mike V. Thanks for the team behind this, TGH. Thank you, Coach, for leading by example.